Think of your dream property and then think a little harder and you'll begin to get an idea of what the most expensive mansion in the world would look like. Because what happens when you bring together an architect limited only by gravity and an owner with a bottomless wallet? You get a luxury house filled with bespoke features tailored exactly to your personality and taste. These million-dollar homes knew no limits when it came to furnishing and decorating. Mega mansions or million-dollar houses don't really cover it. The world's biggest house comes with 240 bedrooms and 535 other rooms. Wait until the end to see which ranked in the very top spot. Welcome to Mega Luxury. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss amazing videos from us. Let's begin. Number 10. Palazzo di Amore, United States. Beverly Hills-based Palazzo di Amore looks just as expensive as it is. Set in a prestigious neighborhood, this huge property was initially built in 2014 and was regarded as the most expensive residential complex in the United States at the time. Then it was renovated both inside and out by its owner, Jeff Green, who more than doubled the value of the property once he'd spent a few years changing it up. 12 bedrooms and 25 bathrooms is just the start of the rooms here, along with a 15,000 square foot entertainment center, a bowling alley, a 50-seat movie theater, a disco, and even its own vineyard. Estimated value $195 million. Location California, United States. Owner Jeff Green. Number 9. Ellison Estate, United States. Billionaire Larry Ellison doesn't just own one property, but his Ellison Estate might just be the most impressive. Located in Woodside, California, this incredible waterfront property is one that's definitely worthy of its never-ending attention. It's actually a collection of houses inside one giant property alongside a man-made lake, a tea house, and a bathhouse. It's designed to settle into its surroundings with a lodge-style design throughout and all the comfy, cozy velvet sofas and fireplaces you could ever imagine. Set inside a gated community, it's arguably the world's coolest lake house and sets the scene for a relaxing holiday. Estimated value $200 million. Location California, United States. Owner Larry Ellison. Number 8. Fairfield Pond, United States. The Hamptons are renowned for being expensive, but Fairfield Pond takes it to the next level. This is a luxury mansion designed for anyone who gets bored easily, thanks to its sweeping grounds and endless array of facilities. As well as the 39 bathrooms and 29 bedrooms, a stay here includes access to a private basketball court, a 2-lane bowling alley, and a 164-seat theater. Known as one of the largest homes in the United States, it also features 12 chimneys, a 91-foot-long dining room, and a billiards room, 2 tennis courts, and 2 squash courts. Estimated value $248 million. Location New York, United States. Owner Ira Rennert. Number 7. The Odeon Tower Penthouse, Monaco. The Odeon Tower Penthouse might not feature a garden, but it does offer spectacular views across Monaco. Known as the world's most expensive flat, it sits at the top of a 560-foot skyscraper. Overlooking the clear blue waters of the Mediterranean Sea, the Odeon Tower Penthouse has its own infinity pool complete with slide for those who fancy a salt-free swim. The luxury penthouse includes 38,000 square feet of space across 5 levels, with 5 kitchens spread throughout each floor. It's got a dance floor, a luxurious bathroom, and even a few staff bedrooms. A parking space for the property is thought to cost around $330,000. Estimated value $330 million. Location Monaco. Owner unknown. Number 6. Les Palais Bulles, France. Les Palais Bulles, or the Bubble Palace, is a little different to your ordinary million-dollar house. Like its name suggests, this property is shaped like a huge peach-colored bubble. A bird's eye view at Les Palais Bulles reveals a collection of circular buildings, and the circle theme continues inside. Take a walk through the Bubble Palace and you'll spot cylindrical beds, swimming pools, and artwork. The luxury villa was designed by Hungarian architect Antilia and features 10 suites decorated by different contemporary artists, as well as the obvious rooms. It's also home to a sprawling 500-seat outdoor theater with views overlooking the Mediterranean Sea. Estimated value $385 million. Location Cannes, France. Owner Pierre Cardin. Number 5. Villa Les Cèdres, France. The 18,000 square foot Villa Les Cèdres is more of a luxury palace than it is a simple home. Set across 35 acres of land, this traditional luxury mansion is fit for a king, and was once owned by one. As well as endless bedrooms and communal spaces, this luxury property has an Olympic-sized swimming pool, a stunning ballroom, and even a stable with room for up to 30 horses. Outside, you'll find 15,000 plants and 20 greenhouses with tropical flowers from all over the world. It overlooks the Mediterranean Sea and has multiple balconies swathed with palm trees. Estimated value $4.3 million. Location Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, France. Owner Raniat Akhmetov. Number 4. The One, United States. The One Mansion is considered not only to be the most expensive house in California, but also the most expensive house in the US. But it's also the one riddled with debt and legal issues. But despite its flaws, it's a beautiful property with gorgeous views and a breathtaking setting. The One is home to 9 bedrooms and multiple kitchens, as well as the other essentials like a nightclub, a bowling alley with 4 lanes, a salon, a home gym, a 50-seat theater, and a running track. It has not just a swimming pool, but also 6 other water features like a jacuzzi and a moat that surrounds the luxury house. Estimated value $500 million. Location California, United States. Owner Niall Niami. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, France. Villa Leopolda sits between 2 of the most prestigious parts of the world, Monaco and Nice. Sumptuous and stylish, it's a luxury property with a regal past and previously belonged to King Leopold II of Belgium. Since then, it's passed through the hands of many owners and also has been used as a film set for Alfred Hitchcock's La Main au Collet. When Edward Safra, its previous owner, passed away, he left the villa to his wife. Its huge swimming pool and excessive gardens reportedly require the daily work of more than 50 gardeners. Across the entire property, there's 80,000 square feet of space. Estimated value $750 million. Location French Riviera, France. Owner Lily Safra. Number 2. Antilia, India. Antilia is owned by Mukesh Ambani, the richest person in India, and is named after a mythical island in the Atlantic. This 400,000 square foot building sits on the most prestigious postcode of India, and it reaches 27 floors, with each double height ceiling counting as 2 floors. But despite its huge height, it's designed to withstand huge earthquakes. This beautiful building was designed around traditional natural elements, but also has an entire 6 floors dedicated to parking. It contains a huge temple, a number of guest suites, a salon, an ice cream parlor, and a private movie theater for all to enjoy. It even has a snow room that spits out snowflakes, if India's high temperatures get a little too intense. Estimated value $2 billion. Location Mumbai, India. Owner Mukesh Ambani. Number 1. Buckingham Palace, United Kingdom. Buckingham Palace might not be put up for sale anytime soon, but if it were, it would be worth around $6.7 billion. With 240 bedrooms and as well as a swimming pool and doctor's surgery, it's a place called home by the British royal family and is also open to the public for guided tours. In total, this rich house, if you can call it a mere house, contains 775 rooms, 19 staterooms, 92 offices, and 78 bathrooms. It's also got a huge tea room and staff as well as beautiful gardens. Rumor has it there are a few other secret rooms dotted throughout this huge luxury mansion. Soon it would be owned by the King of England, as the beloved Queen of England passed away, and this video is dedicated to her. Well, have you seen any mega houses ever? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to love to watch our video about the tallest abandoned skyscrapers in the world on our channel. Make sure to click the subscribe button for future notifications and never miss our videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned.